Welcome to Bok Tower Gardens, located in Lake Wales, Florida. This garden was established in 1929 and has a 70-acre garden. It is full of many types of flowers, palms, and pines native to Florida. However, this garden is most known for its large tower that plays music with a carillon, which is an instrument that has 60 bells and keyboard. This outstanding tower is covered with mosaic tiles, ironwork, custom brass work, and more. Why don't you come along with us as we explore the rest of this garden? And as always, let's adventure on.
Yeah, found a little birdie. Found a little birdie.
So we're pretty much like on a garden, but we're walking, no vehicles. And by the way, my Gigi and Papa's here.